Microsoft Word and Excel, which is revising, renaming, and reorganizing preliminary themes to form final themes. I have gone in and I have done all the preliminary themes for the whole transcript. I've also tried to get some final themes in some instances and clear description. As you can see, the preliminary themes and the final themes should make or should have meaning on their own. For example, if you read role you played in IFOMSA, or year participated in IFOMSA, or current economic status of the family, or views on whether IFOMSA scholarship is based on merit, you can understand what we are trying to find out. That's the process of generating or coming up with themes from codes. It's making sure that themes have their intrinsic meaning and they make sense on their own, even before we get the codes. Ideally, after all those processes, we will keep revising the preliminary themes. Then we are going to get the final themes. And we make sure we have clear descriptions for every theme. We have, of course, the codes for every theme and the codes. Basically, we have themes, codes, and participant codes. That means we have completed the thematic analysis process using Microsoft Word and Excel. Now we move to the final step of writing the findings report. And the findings report will be made up of the description of the themes, codes, and the participant codes. Now, the findings report will look something like this, where we describe the meaning of the theme, then we provide the codes. This is not an in-depth kind of a report. Some people prefer to write in continuous prose where they even don't italicize. They put the participant's code inside the story as a narrative format, okay? That's a different approach. So this is how the findings report is going to look like. For this video, I don't want to go deep into writing the findings report, but I'm going to link my other previous videos where I have a sample of the findings report. After you get the themes, get the codes, get the participant codes, and reach this stage, you can be able to go and follow my other videos and write a findings report. And then you can even download a sample of my previous findings report in the video I'm going to link in the description. And then you can go and write the finding report. And that's how you conduct thematic analysis using Microsoft Word and Excel. Remember, this is not the most ideal approach. It's tedious. Imagine